The Fortnite map that makes over $1 million a month. Seriously, I'm not kidding. If you guys look at my screen right now, this game is making $68,000 a day. And if you go to the all-time revenue, it is making $1 million a month online making Fortnite maps. So today I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing you guys need to know to make more money online making Fortnite maps, just like this game here on screen, so you guys can replicate and emulate the top people inside the space and make more money online making Fortnite maps. And if you guys don't know already, in exactly 1 week, I'm launching my AI software company called Versify, which is specifically designed for UEFN and verse code that will make your games out of thin air. We have an AI thumbnail designer, so you're not going to be able to need to make thumbnails anymore. You're not going to have to learn verse code anymore. This is how the top creators are going to be making money online making Fortnite maps, and it's with Versify. So why not simplify your verse experience and save yourself some time and sign up for Versify today in the link in the description. But now let me show you guys how this game is making over $60,000 a day and over $1 million a month with just a single Fortnite map. So you guys can replicate the same success at home watching this video. So right before we load into Fortnite, a lot of you guys are going to be asking, how do I even get started in the first place? And it's called the Fortnite Creator Portal. And essentially you have to be 18 years old, where Epic Games gives out 40% of their monthly income and revenue to the top people inside of the space making money online, which is around $100 million a month, split evenly amongst the top creators. Okay, so we're inside of Fortnite right now. We're already loaded up. And as you guys can see, we can already see the go to game with 64,000 players. Why is it so popular? Why is it making so much money? So today, it doesn't really matter what stage you guys are at, because I'm seriously going to be showing you the fundamental techniques and strategies that these guys are using to manipulate kids to have them play on their game longer, because Epic Games pays you based off of island retention. So I'm going to load up inside of this game and show you what they're actually doing to get more players inside of the game and make more money online. Alright, so we're loaded inside of Go-Goated's game right now. Off the bat, we're already prompted to like and favorite the game, because when you like and favorite games, you do get in tabs. We have a Discord community. We have the next game that we can play right there. As soon as we go into this teleporters, we have a trophy of his own statue. We have all the games that he's ever made, the like and favorite icon, ranked leaderboards, and last winner standings, XP that you can claim and get a lot of XP. And of course, when you go here, you just teleport in. We have this nice vibrancy to the weapons. But also, if you guys didn't know, if you come down here, we have a special weapon, which actually isn't even in the game. This is not even an actual weapon. And if you go here, we have a special vault that you can actually open. Obviously, I don't actually know the code, but if we open it here and type it in, let's see what actually happens when we go ahead and press enter. So all we do is get a blue AR, which is kind of weird. Honestly, I thought we'd actually open the vault. But the reason why this game does so well is because the attraction to it, the visual attraction, the visual appeal. If you guys actually look here, there's many things that you can actually do in here. Because I remember playing this game back in the day when I was like very young. But the golden mushroom is still there. The objective of this game is close quarter combat. You know, you fly into people's bases and you fly and kill them. The reason why it does so well is because people like intensity, right? Like people want to have stress, they want to improve, they want to get better inside of Fortnite. And having a zone wars game is kind of like synchronizing the end game inside of Fortnite. Because we all know how intense it is in competitive with like 50 people in a circle. This is kind of like reimagining it, but people have bases instead. And it's like a 5v5 format. So it's a pretty simplistic game, but when you guys are making your games, you don't have to have crazy elements attached to your worlds. It doesn't have to be too super simple. But what does have to be simple and what does actually have to have visual appeal is your thumbnail. If you want to achieve success like myself and the boy Daily, who's making $1 million a month with his Go-Goated game, you need to have an attractive thumbnail. Davey, I'm not a graphics design nerd. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't worry, brother. I got you. Let me show you exactly what you can be using to make your thumbnails inside of Fortnite. And the software is called Photopea, okay? So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and open it up, press new project, and press YouTube thumbnail format. Then you're going to head back onto Fortnite GG and scour around until you find a thumbnail that you actually want to bring to life. For example, I'm going to try to recreate the Go-Goated thumbnail since this is the video. And obviously, guys, this is a good thumbnail. This is an amazing thumbnail for a Fortnite map. So what we're going to do is go ahead and steal and download it just for this tutorial of this video. We're not going to be using it, okay? But we're going to go ahead and download it, and we're going to go to Microsoft Bing AI, okay? So search up Bing AI Microsoft inside of your Google search bar. And what I want you guys to do is grab this link right here. Free image generator. You're going to press join and create, sign into a personal account, and you're going to sign in. As you guys can see, that's my name there, Davis. And essentially, guys, all you have to do is just ask what you want. So for example, create me a Fortnite map thumbnail based off of Zone Wars and the popular Fortnite map Go-Goated. And as you guys can see, all we have to do is just press enter, and it's going to create popular thumbnails. These are some of the icons and powers and abilities I've had in the past that I've tried to generate, like Flappy Bird here. Like, it's really hectic and cool. So as you guys can see, we have an AI thumbnail here. Obviously, this is not the craziest. This is really not even that cool. It looks like some AI city. It doesn't really look that realistic, but this is how you're going to spice it up a lot and tremendously change the visual appeal and the way that it looks. Because right now, this does not look like Fortnite at all. This doesn't even look like a battle bus. We have zone here, so they added something. But let me show you what you guys can do to spice this thumbnail up. If you ask it for this exact prompt, you're going to get very specific Fortnite tailored images and abilities and powers. Let me show you. Create me a Fortnite map thumbnail based off a video game, Fortnite Battle Royale, and you're going to see an amazing thumbnail bestow upon your eyes. Because the prompt that I gave you guys was literally just a test. So if you guys look here, look how much better it is. This literally looks like a Fortnite live event. We have the battle bus, the evil lizard man. This looks exactly like Fortnite. We have the mountains, the buildings, even this one. Do you guys see what I'm saying? Like, there is a lot of potential inside of making Fortnite maps, especially the thumbnails, because a lot of these thumbnails are AI generated, like this one here. These pillars are AI generated. This guy doesn't even look like he's hanging on there at all. This guy's just sitting here. This is an AI generated Fortnite skin. And these guys are pulling in thousands and thousands of dollars, like Dilly, who's making $1 million a month. Wouldn't you want to make $1 million a month? And you guys literally can with Fort Mafia, which is only $1 one time forever. However, for free games and code and one-on-one coaching and mentorship every single weekend on Saturday PM PST, this is the best course you need to know to get started online making Fortnite maps for only $1, where you're getting free games and code every single weekend. There's not another better deal you're going to see than this. So I highly advise you guys to join the free Discord and click the link in the description and join Fort Mafia today. So now that you know how to make a game, how to actually get paid, why the daily's making over $1 million a month, how can you guys actually achieve the same success? How can you actually get started making money online making Fortnite maps? And it all goes down to your marketing and promotion. Just because you have a good game doesn't mean anything. There's countless YouTube videos out there, including myself, that you post and put so much time into that does nothing. And just like all these games out here, there are thousands and thousands of games that do nothing. The reason why is because they have terrible promotion strategy, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to do exactly right now. So I want you guys to go ahead and go onto TikTok and search up Fortnite Map promotion. And as you guys can see on my screen, you're going to get a plethora of videos like this one 8 hours ago with 200,000 views, mind you, which are XP glitches that people are posting. Obviously, this is not really that ethical. You don't want to be scamming people with fake XP glitches, but this is what it's come down to. People are now just misleading people to get a lot of players inside of their games. Right here, we have a comment section where it's typing about the code. If you go here, the code is on the screen right here. So I'm going to type it in and show you guys how much these guys are actually making. So if you guys go here and we press enter here, because these guys are making millions of dollars a month as well. It had amassed a player count of 11,000 players, and it's made a grand total of $55,000. And just this week alone, it's made already $971. Who wouldn't want an extra $1,000 a week? I'm sure you would. So it's really insane what these guys are doing. And this is like the promotion strategy and angle that you should be going for. I know it's pretty unethical, and we have a chill guy 1v1 here. This one obviously had 2 million views and like millions of likes. And obviously this one's going to have a lot more money and revenue being generated. We have Agile Speed. We have all of these powers and abilities. We have the Juice WRLD skin as well. And this guy's saying, hey, you can get the free Juice WRLD skin if you join my map. Obviously that is BS and fake. It's just crazy what people are doing to promote their games. Like this one day ago, 770,000 views. It's honestly baffling. So if you guys actually go inside of my Discord here, we have thousands of people making millions and millions of dollars a month making Fortnite maps collectively across the videos that I've had and the impact that I've had on people, which I highly advise you guys join, which is obviously in the link in the description. But if you go to market yourself, these are where people are promoting their games and getting thousands and thousands of players inside of their games. I'm not kidding. Look at all the games here that have hundreds and hundreds of players that people are leveraging my own Discord server from. I take a lot of pride into that because that is a lot of impact that I'm having on you guys, and it means the world to me because I'm here to make this the biggest side hustle of all time and revolutionize the space with Versify, with my courses, mentorship, whatever. And that's why I have every single thing set up. A lot of you guys may be saying, hey bro, why don't you make Fortnite maps anymore? It looks like you're some guru, right? But dude, I have the knowledge. That's why you're still watching this video. I've gained the knowledge and the experience in the first place to be able to be here in this position to help you guys. So with everything that I've taught you today, it really all goes down to your imagination and your creativity, because without good ideas, you can't have good execution. You know, this thumbnail on this video was amazing. It brought your attention, and I can't stress this enough, guys, but be innovative, okay? Be smart, be wise, go out there, do things. I'm always trapped in my room making videos trying to motivate millions of people, and that's exactly what I'm doing, and that's what I'm paid for. It's my honor to have you guys by my side, where I can motivate and inspire you guys to get rich online making Fortnite maps quicker than the traditional 9-to-5 job. So I seriously cannot thank you guys enough for being here. You guys can follow all of my social medias down in the description down below. Click the last video on the screen. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Guys, never give up on your dreams, boys. I love you guys, man. 9 I'm out. Peace.